Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So today is the day 2 of our LeetCode marathon series, and today we are going to solve another LeetCode problem that will be string based. So let's move ahead towards the question. So yes, here is the question. The title of the question is uncommon words from two sentences. So let's see the description. Here they have mentioned that a sentence is a string of single space separated words where each word consists of only of lowercase letters. A word is uncommon if it appears exactly once in one of the sentences and does not appear in another sentence. Given two sentences S1 and S2, return a list of all the uncommon words. You may return the answer in any order. Okay, so here are some examples. In the example 1, they have shown that the string 1 S1 and the sentence 2 S2. They have given the sentences, and what we have to find out, we have to return the words which are appearing only once. Like you can see that in these two sentences S1 and S2, here only this sweet word and this sour word, only these two words are coming only once. That's why in the output they have given sweet and sour, and that is provided in the list. Okay, and in the explanation they have also told that the word sweet appears only in S1 while the word sour appears only in S2. Okay, similarly the example 2 is also the same. So what we are going to do here is, now first of all let's move on to the code section. So here what approach I will be following, I will first of all create an unordered map so that I can count the frequency of each word. Okay, so first of all let's create that unordered map. That will be storing strings, and the frequency will be of integer type, right? So let's give it a name as words. Okay, one more thing, I am solving this problem in C++ language. If anyone is comfortable with another language, they can do so. Okay, so now the next thing that I will be doing is, first of all I need to create another variable that will be string, and I will give it a name as str, so that I can just count all the words. I can make out all the words from this sentence, right? So now what I will do, I want to take out all the words from this sentence S1. So first of all I will traverse this sentence S1 with the help of for loop, just like this. Now what I will do, if the S1 of I is equals to single space, then my word might have been finished. So what I will do, I will just increase the count of that particular word, that is str, right? Now I will erase the previous str that I had. Okay, now if the S1 of I is not equals to empty space, then it will be a word, right? So let's add it to the current str, just like this. Sorry, this is S1. Yeah, now see that what will happen here, after finishing after the loop has completed, once the iterator has reached to this position, then next it will not get that empty space, right? Just like this. So this word will get missed here to be pushed inside this map. So what I will do, after the completion of this loop, I will just push this word, that is str, in my unordered map like this. Okay, Now I will do the same for this sentence 2, just like this. Dot size. Yes. Now if s2 of I is equals to empty space, just like this. Sorry. Yeah, first of all I need to push it inside this so that I can count its frequency, and then I will erase this word. Okay. Now else if it is a alphabet, okay, just like this. Now again, if the iterator has reached to this position, then next it will not get that empty space, right? So I will also now push the last word inside my words map, right? Just like this. Okay, one more thing which I have not done is, after pushing this str inside words, I need to erase previous str like this. Okay, so now I have done that. Okay, now as I have stored all the words inside my this map, so what I will do here is, now I will check that if the frequency is 1, then I will push that particular word in my list. Okay, so what will be the list? Now let's create that vector. Okay, just like this. Okay, sorry, it is a string type. Now as it is my answer, so let's do it like this. Okay, so now let's iterate our map. Okay, just like this, that is words. Okay, now if term dot second is equals to 1, as frequency is 1, that means that it is appearing for only once. Okay, so now if it happens, then what I will do, I will push that into my answer vector, right? Just like this. Okay, now after that I will return my answer. Okay, now let's run this program and see that if it's working fine or not. Yes, you can see that it is working fine. It is passing this given test cases. Now let's submit it. Yes, you can see that it has completely accepted. So this is the solution that you can do. This is a one approach. You can also try another approach as well. Okay, so this was my approach. You can try another as well. So yes, we are done for today's question. Thank you for watching. If you have any query or anything related to this, you can comment down in the comment section and ask your query there. Thank you for watching.